Hi, welcome back. If you're new, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Say, I'm over here, so I'm going with some things. Alright, so I made a video. Why do I always make that mistake? I'm always like, tongue tied for something or the other. Alright, so I made a video yesterday, and I wasn't picking my nose, it was itching me. So just in case you're thinking that. Yeah, so I made a video yesterday with a review of my TikTok, and I posted it today, and YouTube pretty much banned it because of the music that was on it from TikTok. I don't know why they did that. I need to read a little bit about it, but I did have like an intro to the video. I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna show you that intro, just to see what I said yesterday, as well as I'll show you the journey to 1,000 subscribers. Did I tell you? Thank you guys for letting me be here today at 1,000 subscribers. I want to tell you guys thanks. I've only made it because of you, and from the bottom of my heart, I really appreciate it. I will also post a video about that tomorrow as well, for the thanks again for 1,000 subscribers. So I'm gonna give you a little bit of the journey of what it took to be here today for that 1,000 subscribers journey. So just a little quick summary of what happened. So I went to Toronto yesterday, and I had a sign. I'll show you all about it, so go ahead and check it out. All right, getting stuff done. Can't see none yet, but yeah, let's see it. These are some of the pictures that were taken of me during my marketing campaign for my 1,000 subscribers on YouTube down by Harbourfront in Toronto. I would also like to feature these screenshots that I took from Instagram stories from some of my subscribers as well. Thank you so much for the support, guys. I had a little experiment and I came to Toronto. As you can see, I still am here. And I have this sign. And little festive vibes. This is neat. So I tried to subscribe. I tried to get people to subscribe to my channel. When I came outside, I was at 200 and about 85. I'm not sure exactly where I'm at right now because I didn't want everybody to tell me. I want to be surprised how good today was or how bad it was. But I do believe it was pretty good because I got a lot of good feedback. So yeah. Let's see what my journey to 1,000 subscribers entails. Thank you. Here. All right, so it was amazing. It was, I don't know how to put it in words. Maybe I have to do this again. But I met an owner for magazine. I met a women's inspirational coach. I met tons and tons and tons and tons of people. A lot of good feedback. A lot of people asking me what my channel is about, what my aims are, and what I hope for from my channel overall. And I'm not sure how many subscribers I am at right now, but I think I did really good. And I just met a girl a while ago. She thought I was 19, so that was pretty cool too. And she kind of explained, she just said some good stuff, and I don't know, I feel really, really good about it. And today was a good day. Thank you guys for subscribing. I really appreciate each and every one of you. All right, I'm gonna give you the intro. I also told you I'm gonna give you the intro for yesterday's video, so here it is. All right, so I just want to say welcome back, guys. And why I'm asking for the feedback. I'm asking to tell me how you guys thought about my video, what you guys had to say, what would you like to see. And boy, wanna drape me up, wanna go on and tell me the things them. I'm wanting to know that I really really appreciate it. And you know, I am growing and I'll do better each time. I think one of the comments that really spoke to me yesterday was when somebody told me, you know, now I'm catering for them because, you know, there are different people on my channel and I'm cater for everybody. So girl, boys, men, women, big people, little pitney, I got you. So today me I try to take back, you know, take a couple of the feedback wanna give me, and me I try to work on it. So somebody said I need to change my hairstyle, which I already did in my last video. But I having a new hairstyle, but since una say me for change my hairstyle, so we do it there. What you got to say, you know, I drop my make. The person who said I need to change my hairstyle, let me know themselves. But yes, I'm change my hairstyle if you know. Somebody said I need to change my background and I need to come out of my room. So I'm showing them I have outside. Alright, so today I'm gonna do my a little review and showing them what my TikTok is like and showing them a TikTok video and wanna tell me what I think about it if I don't want. But it really is to show you the type of person I am and like what you will see later down on this channel as well. So let's get it. I did make the video, but because of copyright issues, I wasn't able to post that video. I'm sorry. All right, so I'm also sitting, but I'm not sitting at the same place. And I know I'm talking, but I'm not talking at the same place. And I hope you got a little bit of difference. And the video that is coming out tomorrow, you don't want to miss it. Trust me, it will be worth your while. I don't even want to talk about it, but you know, be sure to subscribe and, you know, check out tomorrow's video. It will be worth it, trust me. You know, to all the people who subscribe, the persons who I talk to in person, you guys really made my day. There's so many highlights in my day yesterday. You know, I just want to say thank you so much. You know, everybody who shared me, everybody who took a picture, everybody who liked it, everybody who subscribed, everybody who subscribed, Yard and foreign and Brad and everywhere, everybody who subscribed, you know, thank you very, very much. And the question for my audience is, do you think I was brave to stand up out in the middle of Toronto? You know, it's like mini New York City for those who live in the United States. It's bigger than half a tree for Udia, Jamaica. You know, like half a tree times 5. You know, do you think it's brave that I stood there with the sign? And would you do it? So please leave your comments down below and let me know if you would do it. You know, it is, you know, worth it after all. Thanks.